Now, if you are getting 488,000 tokens in 6 to 8 months time, and if difficulty rate remains same as well, so how many coins you are getting in an ideal scenario? Can you please bring out your calculator and bring out your mobile phone and see how the calculator looks like? Yeah, many people won't have seen this calculator for ages, but now you are an entrepreneur, businessman.
But after 8 months, difficulty rate will be changed.
Let everybody do. I want to see on everybody's screen. Where's your mobile?
Difficulty rate will be changed.
I want to see this figure of how many coins you are getting on each screen. Some people are relying on neighbors, so please do yourself. This is your business. Okay, 488,000 divided by 63. So how many coins you are getting? Almost 7,700 coins. Yeah? Yeah. Almost. What is the value of each coin now? 6.25 euros. So in 6 to 8 months time, how much return you are getting? Just 2-3 people did calculation. I want to listen from the back. How much? You are not sitting on the back.
48,000.
You are not sitting on the back. Okay, from back 2 rows. How much? 48,000. Excellent. Give a big round of applause to that. Okay, 48,000 euros. How much you started with?
5,000.
From the back seats. How much?
5,500.
Okay. But guys, this is already the value now. We are talking about ahead, 8 to 10 months time, where we are almost thinking maybe the value goes up to 50 euros.
Wow.
So can you multiply 7,700 with 50? Let's see how much it comes.
385,000.
How much?
385,000.
You can buy a freehold property.
Your figure is wrong. Anybody else? 387. See? 385. Roughly 385,000 euros.
Wow.
Why the value will go high? Why? It's a common sense question. Sorry, demand increase. Okay, company started 2015 January. What was the value?
50 cents.
In 1.5 years, how much is the value? 625 euros. How many members we have?
1.9 million.
1.9 million members. If everybody introduces on this planet just 4 or 5 friends and family, how many members end of this year? 10 million almost? Yeah? And by the way, these 1.9 million members are paid members. They are not rookies. We have rookies, and with the rookies, you know how many numbers we have?
10 million.
10 million. Which Dr. Ruja told in her second part of interview. Yes, it means 10 million people, even they are rookie, at least they know what is OneCoin, what is digital currency. If everyone is going to introduce 4 or 5 people, maybe 3 out of them rookie and 2 paid members, what's going to happen? 40-50 million people would know at least about this brand. So if the demand is going higher and more people are joining this business, as I told you, 20,000 people every day, what's going to happen with price? Will it go down or up? Up. Let's say again 10-12 times the value goes up. So will it be 50-60 euros?
Yes.
10 times of 6 euro, how much?
66.
66. Common sense, isn't it?
Yes.
But it's not common.
Common man.
Yeah? If demand is going higher, of course the value is going higher. Rather than this one coin, even if I keep this my mobile phone over here, and the whole world is accepting it. Yes, we need only this phone. If I'm selling in £1, now the price will go how much? £1,000. But it's available in £700 now. Okay, so this very simple thing. So if the value goes higher, that is a return. With this, only Tycoon package, which is around 5,640, 610 euros, and first time you pay just activation fee, which is 30 euros. That's one off. The beauty in this business is you will go in any other network marketing business, you will have to pay some monthly activation fee, monthly auto ship, or whatever you call it. But in this business, there is no auto ship. There's nothing like that. So peace of mind. You don't need to pay £20 every month. Some people know it. Okay. You want to go with a bigger package? You want to see the potential?
Yes.
Now in my team I have almost 6,000 people, and 90% started with this Tycoon package. But almost there are 300 people who are more like visionaries, I would say. They see probably more than what those people saw. And they started with this combo pack. How much is the cost of this package?
90,396.
People sitting from back seats. How much is the cost?
90,360.
Excellent. And how many tokens you are getting with that? These are the tokens. How much? 211,000 tokens. Now here the good thing is, because probably they are rich people, the company is making them more rich. So rather than 63 tokens, company is giving you difficulty rate less, 1 token less. So 62 tokens is equal to 1 coin. So if you have got this today, 211,000, so in roughly 2 months time, how many coins you would be getting? 2 months. I'm not saying after 8 months. In 2 months time. Can you divide 211,000 by 62?
3,387.
3,400 coins. If today is 25th of May, so roughly 25th of July, you will get these. Why? Why you don't need to wait for 8 months?
Auto mining.
Because of the auto mining. And what is this auto mining? It means you start getting your coins almost from the day one. So your tokens don't wait for the split. They go immediately to the mining process, towards the coins making process, and in 2 months time roughly, your coins are ready to sell. How good is that?
Amazing.
Fantastic. Amazing. Yeah, fantastic.
Awesome.
If you start selling your coins, what is the value now? 6.25 euros. In roughly 3 months, 4 months time, how much you will get?
21,000.
People sitting on the back seats, please.
21,000.
21,000 what?
Euro.
In 2-3 months time. That's what the businessman wants. Whatever the cost you started with, you want to recover as soon as possible. And you look at the other businesses, traditional businesses. You started with £50,000, you want to recover and to bring on your business break even as soon as possible. But unluckily or luckily, unluckily you are in traditional business. It minimally takes 3 years to come on break even. Or even you are so good, maybe 6 months it will take to take your cost out. Many businessmen sitting here, so is that right?
Yes.
Any business you start, it takes that much time to bring the cost out. Here, 3-4 months you have taken your cost out. What's going to happen with the splits? How many splits you will get?
4.
So you are getting coins, plus on top of that, you are getting splits as well. 4 splits. On first split, the barometer is now how much? 90%. So maybe in 2 weeks' time, if you get this package, you are going to get another 211,000 tokens. And these tokens are going to go again in
Mining.
mining. So how many coins you are getting? Another coins 2 months' time? I can't.
3,400.
How much? People on the back seats.
3,400.
3,400.
Again.
So you have got another batch of 3,500, another installment of 3,500. Your choice, you want to keep it, you want to sell it. Because after this point, you are on profit anyway. If you have sold this coin, you have recovered your cost. How much you started with? 90,000. You have recovered this coin, now it's all profit. Isn't it? How beautiful is that? Second split, another 2 months, 3 months time, this parameter goes to 0 and then comes back to 100. What's going to happen? How many tokens you will get?
422,000.
422,000. So will they go automatically to mining or not?
Yes.
Yes. So how many coins you will get? I can't hear.
6,800.
People on back seats.
6,800.
Wake up.
1 person. So you have got this batch in 2 months time. Another 2 months time you got this batch. You keep it or sell it, your choice. Another batch. Are you ready for third split?
Yes. Yes.
Don't look ready. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, so you have got 844,000 tokens now. How many coins you will get?
17,000.
13,600.
Almost. Okay, let's say 14,000. Let's say. Another batch ready. Fourth split. Are you ready for another split?
Yes.
How many coins? 28,000 coins. With this package, totally, if you do total, although you get in installments, how many total coins you are going to get?
50 plus.
Too much, someone said.
69.
Almost 58,000 coins.
It's a million of that, is it?
Can you multiply with 50 euros?
Oh my God.
If your calculator allows you.
This would be three.
58,000 times 50 euro in 12 months time, if you expect. How much?
3 million something.
People sitting on back seats.
2.9 million.
3
It's 2 minutes, yeah? Okay? Over 2 million. Is it too good to be true?
Yes.
This revolution is too good to be true. But it's happening anyway. It has happened in Bitcoin anyway. Either we were there or we were not there. That is called combo pack. If you don't have the weak heart, are you ready to listen mega combo?
Yes.
Yes, yes. People with weak heart. Okay, keep 999 ready. Mega combo pack. What is the name of this pack? Mega combo. Mega is what is the cost of this package? Some people are already dialing 999. What's going on? Okay. How many tokens you are getting?
32 million.
How many tokens? 500. If you get this package, you're getting 511,000 tokens. What is the difficulty rate here? 62. Can you divide by 62? Excuse me, people are back seats.
8,200.
8,200.
How many coins? No, people are back seats. How many coins?
8,241.
8,200 coins. How many months? 2 months.
2 months.
What is the value of each coin?
625.
And you multiply with this. If you start selling in 2 months' time,
51,500.
51,000 euros. How much you started with?
46,000.
5,000 euros profit. Can you give a round of applause? Come on.
Yeah.
But this is not enough. How many splits you are getting? 6 splits. Some people are chatting too much. Please. Excuse me. please try to focus. We're about to finish now. Just a couple of minutes more. How many splits?
Six.
First split. How many coins?
8,200.
8,200. Second split. How many coins?
16,400.
Come on, you're ready now. Almost 16,000. Third split. How many?
32,000.
Fourth split. How many?
64,000.
Fifth split.
120.
Too much.
Sixth split.
128,000.
Too much.
56,000.
If you add all these coins, probably over 200,000 coins. How great is that? How many tokens you are getting? 32 million. Yeah? So 200,000 coins, if the value is still €6, how much?
1.2.
Over a million. If value remains same.
1.2 million only.
Why almost 60 people in our team, they have got almost this mega combo?
Hmm.
This